Hey guys, today I have something sensational that no one on this planet has ever shown before on YouTube, I'm pretty sure. I have the very first prototype of the so-called NeuroOneSphere headset, which not only has integrated AI, but also reality filters, holography and energy autonomy. This is crazy. This is the future of the metaverse. I'll show you everything else this headset can do in this video. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
So guys, here it is. So there is one problem. As you can imagine, this is a very early prototype, so I'm not allowed to show you everything. I'm not even allowed to turn it around to show you the projectors. That's like with the Pimax 8K. You remember when I had the first prototype of the Pimax 8K? I could only show it very short in my videos, so this is the only thing I can show you right now. But as you can see, it's pretty stylish, it looks futuristic and it looks very large, but it weighs only 354 grams. And I think that's not so much when you compare it to the other headsets that I have here. It's pretty light, yeah. So now the question is, what can this headset do? There's a lot. So we have adaptive resolution. That means the headset actually has holographic nano OLED projectors that enable the display inside the headset. Or it's not even a display, I would say it's just a dome where something is projected, of course in 3D and everything. The resolution adjusts dynamically to always deliver a perfect image without the need for manual adjustments or so. So it's even for beginners. So guys, the highest possible resolution is 7680 by 4320 pixels per projector. So basically per eye. This is ultra high. I think it's the 8K resolution, the native 8K resolution per eye. That's the maximum, yeah, but it's you can adjust it. It also it's dependent on like your power of your PC and so on, and the game. The projection also, because it has projectors, it provides a huge field of view. So the name is Sphere, yeah, NeuroOneSphere, and when I put it on my head like this. So I have a really huge field of view, like it's going until here. It's my whole vision. Yeah, it's my whole vision. It's definitely bigger than the Star 1 even. It has a field of view of 220 horizontal and 180 vertical. I have definitely never seen this before. That is absolutely insane. We also have micro-haptic feedback. The headset simulates not only visual and auditory impressions, but also haptics directly on the wearer's skin. You don't need additional suits or gloves. The impulses that are transmitted are directly to the body with this device. So give me a second. This is this device. It looks very prototype. Normally it should be worn under the t-shirt, but I don't want to show it to you now. So it's here, yeah? It's just a belt, and here is the device. That's very cool. And then, yeah, everything is transmitted to your body with this device, also with AI and stuff. So there's also integrated AI that analyzes the wearer's emotions and adapts the VR experience, like accordingly to ensure the maximum comfort and immersion, but perhaps also like horror games, yeah, to make it even worse. So this is done using sensors that sit directly on the head. Yeah. So as you can see here, this touches my head here, and but this is not new. I already showed that on a trip to Prague years ago. So it's been around for a while, but it's integrated very small here in this headset. And then we also have omnidirectional audio synthesis. So as you can perhaps see on the side, there's a lot of stuff here integrated. And That means the headset's audio system creates an incredibly realistic 3D sound, even the sound field, I would say, that adapts to the wearer's movements and even incorporates ambient noises in the real world. That's great. The sound is phenomenal. Cool thing is we also have biometric authentication. So the headset recognizes the wearer based on eye pattern and heart rate patterns. Yeah, to ensure like a personalized and secure experience. That's great. Yeah, for people. I don't really care much about that, but yeah, it's inside. Then we have direct neuro integration. That's insane. So using the sensors that are integrated in the head, the headset connects directly to the wearer's brain, yeah, to integrate virtual experience in the real world without the need of controllers. Yeah, so basically you can play mind-controlled compatible games. But this is, you think that's new, but it's not. Look at this here. This is a device that I showed years ago on my channel. I think it was called like, I can create a fireball with my mind or so. And this can be here on your head. I'm allowed to show that because it has nothing to do with the headset. I think it's from for the HTC Vive headsets. Yeah, this is likely how it looks inside this headset. So it's not new, but of course it's much smaller now. Yeah, because this device is years old and this is very new. So you can, as I said, play mind-controlled compatible games. However, this is also possible to use hand tracking and optional controllers. I already tried that, and so for example the hand tracking is really good. It's like the Apple Vision Pro, absolutely no problem. So the next thing is really insane. So normally, this is a standalone headset that you also can connect to PC VR. Normally we have a problem, the battery runs out of power in 2 hours or 3 hours or so. This headset has energy autonomy. So that means the headset is powered by a new type of self-charging battery that draws energy from the user's movement, yeah, allowing for almost unlimited usage. So you're wondering, how's that possible? So normally the most power is drained by the displays inside the headset. So, but there is no display. Only two very small holographic projectors that need nearly no energy. Yeah, so there's like 60% less energy consumption, and only the chip needs power. So it's enough when you move a little bit, you're automatically doing your session, and then it's charging the battery. That's really insane. That's very new. I've never seen that before. Also, we have reality filter. So the headset allows the wearer to filter or alter the real world as desired, blocking out like unwanted visuals or noises or shaping the environment in real time, yeah? So this sounds like the metaverse as we can imagine that in the future, but unfortunately this part I couldn't try yet, but perhaps later. There's also multi-user holography. So multiple wearers can interact simultaneously in the same virtual environment with their avatars displayed as a high-resolution hologram. Really great, and that blends seamlessly into the real world or virtual world. But however, this is nothing really new. We already know that from the Apple Vision Pro, but this one has full-body avatars. Sounds exciting. So what is supported by the headset? Of course, the whole thing supports Steam VR games, all Steam VR games, wirelessly, only wirelessly. There is no option to connect the cable, but you don't need it because the quality, there is a new transfer technology that causes that the picture looks as good as you are using a DisplayPort cable. That's crazy. With the integrated chip, that's possible. But also with the chip, you can use a standalone store. However, they are not still not sure which store they will integrate. Best would be Meta Horizon Store, but we don't know if they work together or so. I don't know. So mixed reality is also supported. You see the front is black, but with the technology, with the transition technology, it can illuminate and then you can watch through. And with the projectors, you can see the mixed reality parts. That's really great. But the transition is nothing new. We already have that in the Ray-Ban Meta glasses as well. So when the sun shines, it gets like lighter and darker. And if not, then it's you can see through. But here with this headset, it's with the switch, virtual or mixed reality. Yeah, guys, that's actually all I'm allowed to tell and show you so far. So now the question is, what do you think of the device? Please write it in the comments below. And the most important question, what price would you be willing to pay for that device? And now there's one very interesting thing. So, what is the most expensive thing of a headset? Of course, the displays, especially the micro OLED displays, and the construction and design of the lenses and the lenses itself. There's a very cost-intensive things of the headset. And this headset does not have a display and no lenses at all. Only the holographic projectors that can beam on the dome, on the sphere inside. That's insane. So they reduced the costs by like 70% or so. Yeah, so they say they will try to bring the headset on the market for under $500 US. This is insane if this is true. So they can all go home. Yeah, if this will happen, that's really great. So guys, for me it was definitely the craziest thing I've ever experienced in VR, AR or MR so far. Really great, and I'm looking forward to try more stuff with the headset. Sorry that I'm not allowed to show you more, but I can at least put it on again. So here's also a microphone that is really good. Yeah, you can also breathe through the headset. If you think it covers my nose or so, I cannot breathe. That's not true. Of course, I can do everything here, and it looks so nice. It looks like in the future, right? So, guys, I hope you liked the video. Check also out my other videos as well. Give me a thumbs up, write something in the comments, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE